Welcome to iPECS. Today we're going to show you how to get your brand new iPECS handset ready to use. To make it easier to ship, your phone comes disassembled in the box. In the box will be the phone body, handset, Cat5 cable, curly cord and the back stand. Remove all pieces from the box. Remove any plastic wrapping and locate the end of the curly cord. On the underside of the phone body there is a port that looks like a small network point. One port is for the handset, one port is for the headset. The curly cord should slot into the handset port. Once secure in the socket, the plug will click in as it locks in. The back stand can now be added to the body. Find the locating slots on the underside of the body and orient the back stand. There are two positions you can choose from. Slide the back stand onto the locating pins and push firmly to the stop. The back stand is now secured to the phone body. Replace the handset to complete assembly.